In the previous video, we have seen how to upload a shapefile in Google Earth Engine. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to change the color of the shapefile, how to set the border thickness, how to give the border color, and how to set the opacity for this given shapefile. So the first step will be we are going to add our shapefile. So go on to the assets, refresh. Inside the cloud assets, you can see here I'm going to choose this shapefile. Use this button to import it into the script. Once it has been imported, now let us customize it with the script. So now I'm going to paste the script over here. So you can see the first step is to define the style of the parameters. So we are using this var function to set the visualization parameters. So below that you can find the color. So this color code represents red color. So like this, you can see the color codes. There are plenty. So I'll be sharing these color codes in the description. You can check it out. So in this I am using red color and green color. Please check on the color codes. So now you can see this color red is used for the stroke. Stroke is nothing but the boundary. So boundary which is been given in red color, and after that you can find fill color. Fill color we are using this code. So this color code is represents green. So this is the color which will be used to fill the polygon in green color, and the red color is the outline, that is border, followed by you can see the width. So here I am defining the width. For example, you can customize the width size here. So here I am going to define the width size as 1.5. that you can see here, stroke width. Now after that, so we are going to apply this style for this given shapefile. So you can see here we have imported the shapefile that has been given the name as table. So here it is defined as Africa, but here defaultly the name given for us is table. You can change it to Africa. You can customize it. So I'm going to copy it. So in this var style shapefile, I'm going to paste it. This is the shapefile, and you can see here var is equal to, here also we are going to give the name of the shapefile Africa. Just come down, and next step is you can see we are going to add the map with opacity and show control. So after defining the style, we are going to add the map. How we are going to add it? Based on the opacity. So here once again finally we are going to paste it Africa. This is the shapefile we are defining. So this is the style layer, and after that you can see you can give any name for the styled layer, that is this Africa. You can define any name for it. Here you can say, yeah, you can change the name to study area like this. And the next function is, so this defines the layer name. It will be shown over here, and followed by that you can see true. If you set it to true, once you have run the script, it will be automatically displayed over here in this map area. If you set it to false, it won't be showing here. It will be showing up here. You can enable it and you can visualize it. So now I am going to set it as false, and you can set the opacity over here. For example, let me set the opacity to 7. So the opacity can range up to 0.0 to 1. So you can set the opacity within that limit. So after this, let us run the script. Click on run. So now the script has been run. You can see here in the layer, you can see study area has come up. When you are enabling it, that time it will be coming up. So you can see here this showing study area because we have set the layer name as study area. You can change it accordingly. Likewise, you can increase or reduce the opacity 0.5. If I run it, you can see the difference. You can also change the width size. You can set it to 3, or you can change the color. So I hope that you have learned how to customize the shapefile color, outline thickness, outline color, and opacity in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll be also sharing the script in the description. Please do check it out. Goodbye everyone.